Hi, my name's Tony Convery. I'm the founder of CDE. We operate in 90 countries and we manufacture washing equipment for minerals. And today we're at the Las Vegas ConExpo show, and we have a stand here where we have displayed a 550 ton an hour machine for processing frac sand. The machine has been sold to Hi-Crush Proppants and will be delivered to their facility in Texas directly after the exhibition. We're very proud to have such a famous customer as Hi-Crush, and most of the people that have come have been very complimentary on our equipment and on the knowledge that our staff has. We have over 1,000 projects completed to date so far all over the world, and we have offices in Australia, Brazil, Middle East, India, the US here in Kerry, and we're delighted to be here, and it's been a really good exhibition. We've sold everything practically off the stand, and it will be delivered to the customers afterwards.